share you how we made this BBQ chicken.
We will need 2 pounds of washed and cut in half chicken. Also, salt, ketchup, sugar, chicken sauce, paprika, wheat flour, and oil.
Then cover them with some wheat flour. In a deep pan, pour enough oil.
Let it heat well and dry, and fry the chicken until it's lightly brown on all its sides. This process takes about 15 minutes.
Once fried, put them in a paper towel to remove that excessive oil. In a recipe, add the ketchup and the dry ingredients. Let it season until it starts boiling and take it from fire. Put the sauce in a pan heat of medium fire. Toss the chicken and be sure all are covered. Let it season a few minutes and take them from fire. They are ready to enjoy. You can serve them with French fries or your favorite salad.